carbon fiber and the fiberglass are every day more and more popular and replace the metals, the metal alloys every day in more and more applications. There are millions of examples in the automotive industry. A lot of manufacturers, they fabricate the chassis of the new cars in carbon fiber. Uh, Not only the chassis, the structure, the body in fiberglass and carbon fiber. Look at this. This is the typical fiberglass structure. Are silica elements with 4 electrons in the last orbit, and those 4 electrons they are related with the other 4 elements of the next neighbor silica, producing a strong structure. This structure is completely stable. This is a stable structure. If you see, you don't have impurities. You don't have external elements mixed in that structure. This is a structure of a pure silica. And it's perfect. A fiberglass is not as strong like a carbon fiber, but it's great. It's great and it's used in different type of applications. Fiberglass is a non-conductor. For that reason, fiberglass is used like an isolator, and is invisible to the majority of the transmissions. It's a good choice for electrical fabrication of electrical components and broadcast application. It's excellent. Yes, depending of the resin, you have different structures. You can cover it the fiberglass fibers with the polyester resin and also with epoxy resin with both of them. Alvin, this is the most common mat, no? What is the name, the technical name of that?
Okay, this is 1.5 mat. Is one you want to use this. There's also another 1.5 which is a little thinner than this one.
Okay.
That allows you to begin your work. This is just a start. It's not really as strong as the cloth. There's a difference.
That's different. No?
This is a cloth which is stronger and sewn in different directions. So you got to know how to.
In one side you have a
smoother,
and the other one.
Because this you always wanted this part to go down to bond to this one.
Okay, but this is stronger than this one.
This is a cloth. This is a mat.
This is the cloth. This is the mat.
Yes.
That's perfect. Okay, that's good.
And this is 1.5, and this is 1708.
Correct. And what about when you founded those pieces of like this exactly?
Okay, this is what I use. Like maybe I'm patching a hole, screw hole, and you don't want to screw holes no more. I cut these up and I mix it with the resin. And I stick it in the hole. Remember that the carbon atoms, depending how they are organized, produce the most strongest surface on the earth is the diamond. The diamond is basically pure carbon. Incredible, no? And the graphite that is used for like a lubricant is also carbon molecules. Incredible how depending on what? Depending on how is organized the atoms of carbon and depending of the pressure and the temperature. Yes, for that reason you found a different type of diamonds with different colors. Yeah, but the most famous is the completely clear, transparent diamond. This is considered a pure diamond. Remember that the synthetic diamonds produced on the laboratory, they have like a blue appearance. It's produced on the laboratory. It's hard, but the appearance is a little different, like the natural diamond, completely transparent, completely clear. Now we are going to analyze uses of carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is commonly used in textiles, aerospace, civil, military, in competitions, and is used in the fabrication of hulls, poles, and in different type of structures. Carbon fiber every day is more popular It's expensive in comparison with the fiberglass. Right now we are going to analyze, but it's wonderful. Those are the properties of fiberglass in comparison with the properties of carbon fiber. Fiberglass normally can be combined with polyester resin and epoxy resin for fiberglass. However, carbon fiber should be combined basically with epoxy resin. Can I use polyester resin with carbon fiber? Yes, but the final structure is not the best. For that reason, the recommendation is with epoxy. What is inconvenience of fiberglass is too rigid, is brittle, and the price, the cost is low cost. In comparison with fiberglass, that the problem in comparison with the carbon fiber, that the inconvenience is the high cost. It's too expensive. The most common type of fiber and carbon fiber structures are these. In carbon we have the AS4, the IM7, the most common. And in fiberglass we have a S glass and E glass, like I explained before. I am talking about the marine application, don't forget that the carbon fiber structure have an excellent appearance. It's used to cover the final product because it's nice. The appearance, the structure of the carbon fibers covered with the resin and polished after that produce a wonderful surface. Yeah, there are fiber cloths like this. The 3K is a carbon fiber cloth, is a staple carbon cloth, is used in boat builders, in automotive applications. This is the appearance of this. And this is the other one, carbon Kevlar hybrid. Is a hybrid in between carbon and fiberglass. That's wonderful. The appearance is nice and is covered with the epoxy resin produce excellent structures.